Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Mango notifications. If you want to receive pop-up alerts, then this video might be helpful. So, let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps option. Among all of these options, select Manage Apps. Now, in the search bar, type in Mango and perform your search.
Tap on Mango application.
Now scroll down a little and tap on Notifications option. To turn on Mango notifications, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Mango notifications. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.